DanHouse is a garden house located on the outskirts of the coastal city of Phan Thiet. The front yard is for the garden and parking. In the middle of the house, they use a large courtyard to divide the common living area and the sleeping block. The special thing is that the middle yard and backyard of the house are connected, not interrupted, creating conditions for ventilation, and the garden seems to cover the entire sleeping block. The last yard is a garden space for the homeowner to practice yoga. The common living space is cleverly shielded by a wind cotton wall in front of the mattress hall to reduce heat and create privacy. The homeowner's guests will be truly surprised by the open space that extends to the maximum on both sides of the living room and kitchen. Guests entering this ecosystem must be close, distinguished guests with the same lifestyle. As the hostess puts it, it's a home resort. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.